stars! Welcome Trailblazers! In today's episode, our goal is to determine the numerical value of this statement. 17 divided by 17 over 35, then times 35. First we do this multiplication. 17 over 35 times 35. We can easily cancel this 35 and this 35. So here we have this 17 only, and 17 divided by 17 equals 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operation, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So we have to do this division first, then this multiplication. If you do this multiplication, then this division, it's wrong. So we have to do this division first. 17 divided by 17 over 35. To do this division, write down the 17, then change division to multiplication and flip this fraction to 35 over 17. And here again, we have times 35. Now we have this new problem. First we do this multiplication. We can easily cancel this 17 and this 17, which gives 35. And here again we have times 35. So here we have this 35 times 35, which equals 1225. And this is our final answer to this problem. Don't forget to subscribe and hit like before you go.